Welcome back to Stoic Empowerment. Today we're diving deep into another powerful principle from Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power. This is Law 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. If you're looking to enhance your influence and take control of your interactions, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the power of positioning. In any situation, the person who can make others move is the one who holds the real power. The essence of this strategy lies in controlling the interaction without taking the first step. When you let others come to you, you're not only conserving your energy, but also positioning yourself in a place of authority. The key is restraint. By not acting first, you force others into a position where they must approach you, giving you the upper hand. 2. The art of using bait. But how do you make them come to you? Sometimes it's all about the bait. This could be anything your counterpart desires: information, opportunities, or resources. The trick is to make the bait irresistible, yet subtle enough that the other person doesn't realize they are being lured. Once they take the bait, they're drawn into your orbit, and you now control the situation. Remember, the goal is to make them move towards you on their own accord, thinking it's their decision. 3. Gaining a psychological advantage. When others come to you, they're the ones exerting effort. This shift in dynamics gives you a psychological advantage. They're more likely to be compliant, eager to please, or at the very least, open to your terms. This is particularly crucial in negotiations or any high-stakes interaction where power dynamics play a significant role. By controlling the pace and direction, you dictate the terms. 4. Avoiding overexposure. Another benefit of this strategy is that it prevents overexposure. When you're too available or too eager, you risk being perceived as desperate or losing your mystique. Making others come to you keeps you in demand, and it preserves your value. It's about maintaining an aura of exclusivity and ensuring that your presence is always desired. 5. The importance of timing and patience. Executing this strategy successfully requires patience and impeccable timing. You need to wait for the right moment. Act too soon, and you lose the advantage. Act too late, and the opportunity might slip away. Timing is everything. By staying patient and waiting for others to come to you, you ensure that you're always in control of the situation. 6. Real-world applications. This principle isn't just theoretical, it has real-world applications. Consider a business negotiation. Instead of aggressively pursuing a deal, you might present an attractive offer and then step back, letting the other party come to you when they're ready to discuss terms. This puts you in control of the negotiation process. In personal relationships, maintaining a certain level of distance can make others more curious and eager to engage with you. And in leadership, setting a clear direction and allowing your team to approach you with ideas or solutions not only empowers them, but also solidifies your authority as a leader. In essence, making other people come to you is about mastering the art of influence by positioning yourself as the prize. By creating situations where others are naturally drawn to you, you maintain control over the outcomes of your interactions. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on power, influence, and self-improvement. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.